Hiya, I'm just going to go through the question 1 on this Heggerty task. Now, the numbers will be different to yours, but you'll still be able to follow the maths and how I actually do it. So, let's find out, let's look at the question. It's taken a while to load because of course my machine's rubbish. Okay, so we've got, I'm just writing it on my board. X squared add 3x add 2. Okay, so if I switch to my camera now, and what one does it want? It wants that one. That one. It's given us 2. It wants A, B, and it's given us 2, and it's given us 6, and it wants C and D. Okay, I'll switch to my camera. So that's the question. Let's work these out. First thing I'm going to do is say, I'm going to look at the positives first. So I'm going to say if x is 3, if x is 3, y equals, and I'm using the formula I'm given, 3 squared add 3 times 3 add 2. Now remember, squared means times by itself, so that's 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 and 9, 18, and 2 is 20. So I'm going to put 20 in there. Now I'm going to say if x is 2, what do I get? X is 2, y is, use the formula I'm given, 2 squared plus 3 times 2 add 2. Squared means times itself, so 2 squared, 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 add 6 is 10, add 2 is 12. So I'll put 12 in there. Now I'm going to look at the negatives. So let's say x is minus 1. Y is, well, it's still x squared, and whenever I do negatives I put them in brackets, plus 3 times negative 1 plus 2. Well, minus 1 times minus 1 is positive 1, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So 1. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Add 2. Plus minus means minus. 1 take away 3, that's minus 2. Add 2 is 0. So I put 0 in there. And now I'm going to do x is minus 2. Let's do it at the top of this page. X is minus 2, so y is minus 2 squared plus 3 times minus 2 add 2. Oops, went off the side. Well, minus 2 squared, minus 2 times itself, minus 2 times minus 2, minus times minus is a plus, so it's positive 4. Plus 3 times minus 2, minus 6, plus 2. If I see plus and minus next to each other, it just turns into a minus. So I've got 4 take away 6, that's minus 2, add 2, 0. So 0 goes there. Now I know your numbers are different, but hopefully you can follow the technique that I used. Let me know if you need anything else.